If you've ever stood in front of your closet thinking, I have a ton of clothes, but nothing to wear, this video is for you. Cleaning out your closet isn't just about tossing out all the old stuff or stuff that doesn't fit you. It is about really uncovering what has been holding you back in your style and what the opportunities are so your wardrobe can actually work for your life now. And stick with me throughout this video because I am going to be sharing with you the proven methods and the exact methods that I use with my one-to-one clients in a closet edit. So you can also get that clarity and a closet that finally makes sense. Hey, I'm Cassandra Satie, personal stylist and founder of Next Level Wardrobe. I work with professionals across industries who are busy, ambitious, and want real results with their wardrobes. And I'm not here to tell you to toss everything out or to toss your favorite dress or those jeans that you keep wearing. This is about editing with intention and editing with empathy because your body, your life, and your style may have changed. We just got to get your wardrobe up to speed now. Oh, and don't make the biggest closet edit mistake that I see all the time. I'm going to share that with you in just a minute. Now, let's start with a big mindset shift. Your closet is not a storage unit, it is a reflection of who you are today. And I always joke, but it's so true. Every single item in your closet should be paying you rent. And the rent they are paying you is, do you love it? Does it fit you? Do you wear it often? So, in my blog that I have, which I'll link below, I talk a lot about style mantras for closet cleanouts. And one of my favorite is if your clothes don't fit your body or your lifestyle today, they don't belong in your closet. It's really that simple. And again, your clothes are living rent free. They are not paying you any money to take space in your closet. So you need to be getting something out of them. And that is outfits. They need to fit your body today, and you need to have a smile when you wear that garment. Okay, after seeing thousands of closets and talking to thousands of people about their closet, people really feel overwhelmed with the thought of getting into the layers of their closet and doing an honest closet edit. So, what happens is they keep pushing it to the side for months, years, sometimes even decades. So, instead of tearing apart your entire closet in a frenzy or feeling really overwhelmed, I want you just to focus on one category at a time. That is it. So, when I say category, I am talking about a type of clothing. So, it can be denim, it can be trousers, it can be dresses, it can be footwear as well, it can be blouses. There's so many different categories that are housed in a closet. I just want you to pick one. That is it. We are going to start with one, and it is going to help you keep the overwhelm down. And most importantly, it is going to give you some really quick wins because you're going to be able to complete it from start to finish and feel really good, feel that momentum. So, when you go through each category, I want you to hold each item up and ask yourself these three questions. Number one, does it fit my body? Number two, can I build 5 outfits with this garment? Number three, do I feel good in it? Does it make me feel my best? And if the answer is no for two or more of those questions, adios, put it in the donation bin. Here's the biggest mistake that I mentioned earlier, and that is keeping clothes that belong to your past or a fantasy future. And listen, I get it. Body changes happen, career pivots, life stuff, it all happens and it's normal. I myself am going through body changes right now. But holding on to that piece that no longer reflects who you are, or if it's not fitting you properly, you can't even button or zip in it, it only keeps you stuck. So your closet should support for who you are becoming, not who you used to be. And if you are going through body changes, I highly recommend that you manage your wardrobe a bit more closely. So that means instead of doing once a year closet edit, you should be doing it every single quarter. This is what I do myself as a personal stylist, just because sizing is going up and down. And in order to keep the true functionality of your day to day wardrobe so you can get dressed in 60 seconds or less, you need to do those edits. You need to move out what is not fitting, keep in what is fitting. And so you can make yourself have calm mornings when it comes to your style. Okay, so you know how I mentioned that you need to go through every single category of your closet? Well, you're not just going to do one. You need to do all the categories, as I mentioned a few minutes ago, and break it down. So put it in your calendar every single weekend. You are going to do maybe 1 to 3 categories. You're going to get that forward momentum and you're going to feel really good about what is hanging in your closet. Now, I promise when you get to the final stages of this closet edit, if you're taking it step by step, you probably are going to start worrying, oh my God, I'm not going to have any clothes to wear. There's too many gaps to fill. That is very common. I promise you will have clothes to wear. Okay. So once you've done your edit, what should be left in your closet is the building blocks of great outfits. And I use and highly recommend the NLW style system in this phase because it is going to help you identify what your foundational pieces are, what the core color items are that you need in your closet. And ultimately, it is going to give you clear outfit formulas. It also is going to form your shopping list of what you are actually going to need to spend your money on. So you are going to walk into a store knowing exactly what you need and not being distracted by sales, promotions, what is styled on the mannequin. You're going to be focused, my friend. And so if you cannot easily build 5 outfits with what is left in your wardrobe, it is a signal that you probably need to go back into your closet and do another round of an honest closet edit. Now, I will say there will be those one offs like dresses. Maybe you can't make 5 different complete outfits with or a statement blouse. That's okay. You only should have a handful of those items. Everything else should be able to be mix and match according to the NLW style system. If this video is helping you get clarity on exactly what to do when it comes to your closet edit, I want you to go ahead and hit subscribe because I have a lot more advice to give you when it comes to style so you can keep it simple and systematic. You are totally moving through your closet edit. Good job. And now you are at the stage where you need to start creating your shopping list because the clutter is gone and now you need a plan. This is not a time for you to go buck wild and fill all the empty spaces in your closet. It's okay to have empty spaces. So now is the opportunity for you to analyze what the gaps are in your wardrobe. And again, you're going to be using the NLW style system. This is going to be super important because it is going to be your framework. And then you're just going to plug in exactly what is personalized to you, your body, your dress code, your lifestyle. So, for example, some of the things you may ask yourself are, am I missing a navy pant? Am I missing a gray pant? Do I have 0 pieces for layering pieces for meetings or work travel? Now, if you are sitting there and super confused how to figure out the gaps in your wardrobe and then combine the NLW style system, I have a very special resource for you. It is called the Closet Clarity Calculator, and it is such an awesome tool because it is easy to use and it's going to tell you exactly what the gaps are and what you have too much of. So go ahead and go to the description below. I'm dropping the link and put in your information, and it is going to give you a game plan so you can stop buying random one off pieces and start building a real wardrobe. I want you you to remember a closet cleanout is not about perfection. It is about progress, clarity, and finally getting dressed without the mental clutter. You are not going to have any more chaotic mornings. This is the exact process that I use with my one to one clients, whether they're dealing with body changes, career shifts, or they just don't want to think about what to wear anymore. And now you have the tools to do it too. And before you leave, I want you to be sure to hit subscribe to this video if you want more real life advice from a personal stylist who actually works with one to one clients like you. There's no fluff, there's no trends, just what works.